Welcome to this video where we'll tackle an interesting problem regarding batch files. Today, we're diving into a scenario that explores the limitations and possibilities within batch scripting. The problem at hand involves manipulating variables without using delayed expansion, presenting a unique challenge for us to solve. Now, on to the solution that addresses this tricky problem. The key lies in a clever technique that leverages the input provided by the user. By utilizing specific string manipulation and variable assignment commands, we can effectively change the variable within the script to match the contents of the user-defined variables. This approach allows us to dynamically set the variable values without the need for delayed expansion, showcasing the flexibility and power of batch scripting. Building on the initial solution, let's delve into how we can execute and verify the variable modification successfully. By following a structured sequence of commands that manipulate the variable values based on the user input, we can create a dynamic exchange between the variables. This step-by-step process demonstrates the seamless transition of values between the variables, showcasing the precision and control batch scripting offers. In summary, we've explored a clever workaround to manipulate variables dynamically in batch files, showcasing the ingenuity and capabilities of this scripting language. By understanding and implementing strategic commands, we can achieve complex variable assignments without relying on delayed expansion. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. And as always, happy scripting!